welcome to Lighten Up with Leap Season 2. And from this background, you would have identified where I am standing today. Yes, I'm at Unwind Dubai, UAE's first board game cafe. Like, apart from the 800 plus board games that they also have some amazing food. Yes, these games are for all age groups and all nationalities. And today, are we here to play some board games? Maybe yes. But are we here to have some fun? Absolutely. So we're going to be interviewing the partners or the founders of the Unwind Dubai, the sibling duo, along with their buddy. And let's see what stories they have to share with us. Let's jump straight into the interview and have some fun.
Yes, please start.
This has been the most fun interview ever because we've not even started and we've
I know, right?
so much.
I'm loud also. It's okay. I'm loud on that.
We've just been laughing so much.
Interview done.
Here I have Saif. Please be quiet for like at least 2 minutes. Yeah, let's start. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining us in our interview today. So this is Hamza, Vaikundan and Saif. So Saif needs no introduction, but other two, we know you guys are siblings, yes. Right? So now, how did Saif come into the picture?
Very unfortunately.
I laughed my way through it.
Okay.
So what had happened was when we had this idea, Saif always wanted to open a cafe. And I found out about a board game cafe based in Canada, and I thought that idea itself was very, very cool.
Right.
So we kind of started talking with Saif because he has the cafe background, he has the experience and the knowledge base of basically everything food and beverage side. He's the expert. And we started researching games, trial testing, to see whether board games is really like universe.
Right.
And the answer is yes.
So yeah, Saif, the serious face doesn't suit you at all.
I'm trying not to
Because
use.
the moment I started asking questions, Saif is showing me his other face.
We known him a very long time. I think.
Yeah, we're actually technically we're all from the same school.
Yeah,
but
okay.
He's actually
Super senior.
super senior citizen. She's senior by 1 year,
Okay.
and so on and so forth. But him and we had common friends.
Awesome. So
yeah.
talking about this idea of the whole board game cafe, obviously you had questions about how this would kick off and how people would come in and play and all that. So, but what made you decide that okay, we just have to go with it and we just have to come up with this unique concept of, because like you said, this is one of the first board game cafes in Dubai. So how was it for you when you first opened it? In the UAE. Okay, first board game cafe in the UAE. So how was it when you first opened and when you were expecting customers, like when they walked in and all that?
We were honestly like very apprehensive because we had done a lot of trial testing. But when we did open, like it was quiet for a while. But when people started coming in, like we would just sit downstairs and listen to them. And you could hear them laughing, you could hear them talking, and you're like, yes. Yes, this is the moment, this will work.
But the thing is, UAE is like that sort of a country where they are ready, they're open to something.
Yeah.
Right.
They're always looking for
Looking for
something.
something
So you
exciting.
get the news out,
Yeah.
you're spreading, as long as you're spreading the news, there's something news up. And people are always searching for something new.
Yeah.
So I think that's what happened. So we spread the word, people started looking and they saw something new, like oh, and they're surprised about it, and a concept like this being open, they're like okay, let's try it out. And like she said, it just happened. So it just started rolling one by one by one.
Fantastic. So you have more than 800 plus board games, right? So how do you choose these board games? Like it's not just that you see it in selling somewhere in Amazon or wherever.
Not just because the colorful box people.
Exactly. So you just don't go buy it and bring it. You have to make sure that it's interesting. Or what is it that you look for in a board game?
Because there are lots of basically categories of board games. You have worker placement, you have roll and play, you have all these different categories. And
Right.
we have been, because of our experience now, we have been able to kind of pinpoint which ones Dubai people like. Based on those kind of mechanics, looking at the game mechanics, we kind of pinpoint the games that we should like.
Okay.
So
What is their contribution? Is it all of them or is it only one person who?
No, as I said earlier on, we decided on the stupid games, fun ones.
Yeah.
She does on the serious ones.
Yeah.
We're not bothered about the serious ones.
Because everyone who comes here, they are not, like she
Yeah.
said, they are not so much into, not even Monopoly is kind of a little complicated.
Yeah.
So they will start off with a very
Basic.
basic,
Yeah.
chill, relaxed game.
Because already
Then
they got
will-
stressed.
Yeah.
Work
Yeah.
life,
And
life,
it
they're
depends on
coming
the
here
crowd
too.
coming in, the age group of the crowd. There's certain age group of the crowd who just wants really simple game as like an Uno. Or even as Taco Pack. It's very simple, with not much rules, not much rules and stuff. A game like what you see right now on the board, it can easily take 45 to minutes to an hour if required, or more also. You know, but it just depends. So
Was it to play to or understand?
to understand, to be honest, because of our game master's touchwood, we've been maximum takes 15 minutes for them. As hard as a game.
The harder game.
The hardest game, even the hardest game possible, 15 minutes tops it takes. But it also depends on the people who are sitting and who are willing to play such a game. You know?
So coming back to like a business-oriented question, if I should ask you,
Oh no.
what is this? Yeah, even I don't want to ask you guys these questions.
It's not a business, it's a fun
Yeah,
place.
I know. Yeah, so you guys are the first board game cafe in UAE. But every time there's a new concept, there's someone who wants to adapt it. Maybe not exactly the same way, they'll bring in their own element to it. But how do you think that you are ready to stay ahead of that?
Well, we do have the advantage of being the first.
Yeah.
So we were able to adapt a lot faster, even when COVID hit. Like towards the beginning of March, we were able to start. We never had an online store,
Okay.
but we started. We could see that customers were buying and spending time.
Yeah.
It is safer, and we were happier that instead of people spending more time on Netflix, they're actually coming to buy board games and spend time with the family and the extra time that they had. So we started taking orders on the phone, and when the store closed down, we were still delivering games, like all three of us using our cars going and delivering games, because that time there was no delivery personnel, like they were all jam-packed because
We didn't take extra degree charges also.
they were so sad about
Fuel charges.
But in that time, we were able to adapt to the new online. So these are all things I think we have to be constantly evolving. We cannot stay still. Because like you said, otherwise we are no different from the rest and we'll be forgotten very easily.
Yeah.
We want unwind to become like synonymous with great time with family.
Okay.
Whether it's games, whether it's food, whether it's drinks, anything. Great
Yeah.
time.
So we have only one cafe. Are we expecting more unwind board game cafes?
You tell us, how many you want? How many?
I should just say cafe itself and then tomorrow then one up. Okay, perfect guys, good job. So I think we are officially done with the business related questions. So next comes the rapid fire. So this time we're going to be doing it a little bit.
Karan Johar? Where is he?
No,
Really?
not but isn't it a gift basket or
Yeah.
something? I've seen
Sorry.
that. I can give you a
You can't gift us this outside.
So that's all I can do. But we're going to be doing it slightly different. Okay, so in all our interviews, what we usually do is we have just 10 rapid fire questions and then we ask and then you take turns to answer. But since this is a board game cafe, we wanted to do it differently. So we are choosing 2 of your favorite games. So can you tell me 2 of your favorite games?
You should know it by now.
Some tackle cats and what is the other thing?
Ghost Blitz.
Go blitz. Something like that. Okay?
No blitz. Ghost blitz.
Okay. So with your permission, can I have your game master also so that he can assist
I
me
think
with
he's more
the-
happy to do this.
Right? So what we're going to do now is I'm going to ask 5 questions about this game and 5 questions about this game. So let's see who answers first.
What's the price?
A prize?
No.
Take it. Okay, so let's begin. Question. So we will begin with Taco Cat. Okay. So question number 1. How many cards do you give out to each player?
7.
Yes or no?
Easy. 5.
It's all seven.
Oh!
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Oh yeah.
Question number 2. How many types of cards are in the game?
8.
I said 8 first.
Yeah.
8? Okay, Seth got it. What happens if someone makes a mistake while playing? Okay, that happens.
He
Like-
gets
Yeah.
back.
He has to take all the
Penalty, yes. He takes all the cards as well.
Okay,
Yes, right.
you haven't opened your account yet. We are slow. Okay, question 4. What if someone forgets to do the action but is the first person to hit?
Takes the card again. Off the whole pile.
Yes.
Takes the whole pile.
Yes. Any mistake is still a
You have to
mistake.
revisit the rules. Final question for Tiger Cat. How do you actually win the game?
Whoever's last to finish the pack of cards that they have.
Okay.
So he's expecting more.
Even the-
Whoever
the last
he has to
game.
finish the deck and first person to hit the card.
Oh, Hamza is so
And
sorry.
you're the game.
I did not say that in this interview.
This is fun game.
I did not.
No, no, this is fun game, right? We are only looking at strategy
Yeah.
games.
Let's play together.
But the game is all hers.
Okay, so let's move to the next game. So this is Ghost Blitz.
Oh, this I lose.
Okay, this you'll. Okay, question 1. How many pieces or objects are there?
5.
See, and he said he's going to lose it. Okay.
How really fast with the answers, man. I'm surprised Seth actually even.
I pay
Question.
I pay attention, okay?
Question 2. I'm being ignored.
No, you're not.
How many cards do you give out to each player?
Yeah,
Direct, yeah.
you enjoyed that.
Half point?
No, you
She's
said
right. Entire deck.
entire deck. So yeah, Hamza gets it. Huh?
So 1-1.
Question 3. What if 2 players grab the right object at the same time?
Whoever grabs it first has to get it.
Whoever's hand is
Same
down.
time.
Yeah.
Same time. It's a tie. Nobody
It's a
gets it.
tie.
But you can't.
It's a tie. Same hand.
Other than grabbing the object, in what other ways you can play the game?
By telling the name.
Yes.
You guys have no idea.
No, I just
much
want
time.
to This is the first time I'm getting to this.
This is like another level of it.
Last question
Go
for
slow.
this game
For this game.
and for
Bonus
the
round.
rapid fire round.
For rapid fire round.
Okay? What if there's a tie in the final score? How do you decide who's the winner?
Do again this thing. Play it again. As in, again. You draw the card again.
You set a new card. As in,
New card.
What is your answer?
draw a new card just to set the draw up.
Hamza?
Yeah, that's why I said new
Are
card.
we doing rules wise or are we doing like how to
Rules
keep
wise.
happy?
Rules wise. Go rules wise. What's rules wise?
Wait, she.
No,
It's a tie. 2 winners. Perfect rules wise, there is no way to solve it.
So we didn't lose. I mean, 2-2 still.
So we
So
all win.
I didn't answer, so technically I don't.
No, you didn't. There's no answer. It's 2-2.
Prize.
Wait, one more question.
No, it's done. Who's the winner? I'm the winner.
The
right?
game master decides who's the winner.
No, I'm the overall winner because I got from last 2.
There were
Now
not,
2.
you know, like half
No.
points and everything.
They said no half points.
Who recommends you for the bonus? Announce them as the winner.
Right, right.
The first round you answered 2
Yeah.
questions and
And
the
now
second
it's
round
on
also
to
he
2.
answered 2
So 4, 3.
How did you
1.
cheat? Do you have to show me that?
See? Dry hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway. No, now who is the winner?
You won the rapid fire round.
No, my name. What's my name?
Seth. This Seth has won
I have
the
won
rapid
the
fire
game.
round.
I have won the rapid fire. Do not edit this part. Do not edit this part at all.
Anyway, thank you so much, guys. It
Thank you.
was an absolute pleasure. I mean, I've not laughed so much. Thank you so much for being so amazing.
Thank
and
you.
thank you so much for all these lovely board game memories that you're going to give us. And we are
You are taking it away back home. It's
Yeah,
India.
Now it's time for a real game.
so we're hoping to have more and more unwind board games
Yes.
coming out across
Yes.
UAE.
Yes.
And thank you so much all of you for watching until the end of this video. Until I see you next time in another interesting episode. This is Aishwarya's and all of them.
I'm the winner.
Say bye.
I won.
Bye.